Hello MoxieLash fam, Bianca here. I am back. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you how you can use MoxieLash over lash extensions. As you guys may know, many lash extension salons are closed because of the coronavirus. But don't you worry, MoxieLash has got your back, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can get fuller lashes in just seconds. No appointment needed, no glue, no mess, just MoxieLash. So stick with me because it's gonna be pretty easy. All right, so the first thing that I like to do is to prep my eyes. I always like to use a little bit of concealer. Feel free to use your foundation, any eye primer, whatever works the best for you, and then make sure to go over with some translucent powder to set that pre-base in place. And this is going to help everything you put on top go on smoothly, but it's also going to prevent your liner from creasing throughout the day. Right, so once that's done, I'm gonna move on to the eyeliner application. And I know that can be a little bit tricky and difficult to apply your liner, especially when you have lash extensions. The eyeliner can get in your actual lashes. So what I'm gonna do is just to uncurl my lashes a little bit by warming up my fingers. And I know that this is going to sound a little bit crazy, but it's actually really helpful. Just going to uncurl my lashes a little bit with the warm of my fingers. Just like that. There you go. Can you see the difference? Right, so now I'm gonna go in with my MoxieLash Liquid Magnetic Liner in the shade Black, and all I'm gonna do is a simple line across my lash line. Another thing that I always like to do is to tilt my head back, and then I am going to align my mirror with my chin, and I'm just gonna look down and just going to do my liner. Now I'm just gonna show you two of the lashes that I think are gonna give you that lash extension effect. And the first one is our Flashy Lash. This one has 5 magnets. It's wispy, tapered, and it's gonna give you that perfect cat-eye shape. And then we have our Batty Lash, which is similar to our Flashy Lash, but this one specifically, it's a little bit more dramatic, meaning that has much more hairs. And for today's look, I'm gonna go in with our Batty Lash. And all I'm gonna do is look down and just place the lash onto the liner quickly, and voila. She's on and we are good to go. Fuller lashes in just seconds, no appointment needed, no glue, no mess, just MoxieLash. And the last thing that I always like to use is my MoxieLash Lash Applicator, and I'm just going to brush the hairs just to blend my lashes with the falsies. Alright, so that's pretty much everything, you guys. I am completed. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and I will see you until the next time. Besitos.